The hardcore off-roader Hummer H2. I can't believe its engine is this fragile. The Hummer H2's V8 engine, with a 6.2-liter displacement. When it arrived, the engine was already completely trashed. This engine is completely blown. As for the chassis frame of this car, it was in an accident, and the frame was bent. Later, we had the frame straightened out. Now that the frame is straightened, everything aligns perfectly. Inside this oil pan, it's not sludge buildup. It's actually metal powder ground off from the iron components, piled up in here. There's an old saying from childhood: with enough hard work, even an iron rod can be ground into a needle. The exterior paint used to be black. I gave the whole car a premium Glasurit paint job and changed it to white. Honestly, I think the Hummer looks much more elegant in white. The black parts are truly black, and the white parts are truly white. Every single detail is dialed in. This interior was custom made by me, pure handcrafted leather upholstery. This red isn't Bordeaux red, it's Bentley Red. It looks very grand and beautiful. This Hummer was originally a 5-seater. Now I've added 2 airline-style captain's chairs in the back. First of all, a Hummer driving by has a commanding presence. Second is the comfort level. It gives you both the prestige on the outside and substance on the inside. Let's start it up.